They say that getting started is always the hardest part. But while that may be true, there are ways to make getting started easier. One of the best ways? Start from a sample or template and customize it to fit your needs. No matter what type of mobile data collection project you're working on, SurveyCTO has a template ready to go for you in the Hub, our gallery of sampled workflows. Want to measure key indicators for monitoring and evaluation? Track program beneficiary progress. Manage community health work. Locate households to interview in the field. In just a few simple clicks, you can install one of our ready-made templates and have a workflow up and running to achieve your goals. Templates are also customizable, so you can edit them to fit your needs. Meet Ruth. She's a monitoring, evaluation, accountability, and learning, or MEAL officer, at an NGO in Haiti. In her job, Ruth needs to measure key indicators on the people who receive services from her NGO. And she's just started using SurveyCTO. Ruth needs her program's beneficiaries to fill out a questionnaire multiple times so that Ruth has baseline, midline, and endline data on her organization's program. In order to have data from the baseline survey show up in the midline survey, Ruth needs to store data from each survey in a server dataset. She'll need to build a workflow with a form and an attached dataset to accomplish her goals. She clicks on the Discover tab of her server console and opens the Hub. Wow! She realizes that SurveyCTO provides so many templates for users. Is there one for her? Yes, there is. In the Hub, Ruth finds an M&E workflow designed to measure key program indicators. It contains a questionnaire and a server dataset that are already attached and ready to use. It's just what she needs. Ruth clicks the Install button for the workflow, and in a few simple clicks, it's ready to go. To make this workflow match her data collection project, she can easily edit any part of the workflow right in her server. Once complete, Ruth deploys the survey to her team so they can collect baseline data. This is just one example of the templates now available in the Hub. Remember, if you don't see exactly what you're looking for in the Hub, the templates we've provided are customizable and can be edited to fit a wide variety of data collection projects. Want to streamline your workflow like Ruth? Start a free trial today at the link below the video. Already a user? Your account admin can grant you access to the Hub by updating their subscription. Already using the Hub? Give us a follow on social media and keep an eye on our blog. We've got more updates to this feature coming in the future.